Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with day 5 of our Sculpting Pilates challenge. All right, we're going to work on triceps today, sometimes called bat wings. All right, let's get into it. First exercise, we have alternating shoulder presses. So I want your hands up here. All right, and we are alternating, pushing them up, coming right back close to your body. All right, elbows are nice and close to your body, and we're just shooting straight up. All right, kind of like a cheerleader move. Woo! All right, but nice, controlled, conscious moving. All right, moving with intention. Very good. Good posture. All right, your stomach is tucked in, your butt is tucked in, your shoulders are pushed away from your ears. All right, I always talk about this because it is so important to have proper posture. It protects your back, and it also helps you move better because everything is connected. All right, so make sure you're checking those points throughout every workout. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Next, we have arm rotations. I'm gonna give you 2 options. All right, first one, starting palms up, all right, and then switching them backwards, up and back. So rotating both arms at the same time, or you can do opposite arm rotations. All right, one goes up and forward, and the other one goes back. All right, so you can do that, or both the same way, personal preference. All right, they're both great. They feel a little different, but on both those options, I want you to make sure you're not rolling forward. All right, we want to isolate our arms, so we're not going like this with our arms. All right, or side to side with our arms. Boom, open chest, chin up. All right, and you stay placed there, and you just rotate those arms. All right, stop it here at the shoulder. It's gonna work it so much more. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Next, a 45-degree press. All right, elbows tight to the body, hands up like we're serving a tray. All right, and then we're gonna press outwards. All right, not to the side. All right, a little diagonal. All right, and they're not straight out to the side. They're a little bit up like that. All right, so pressing, coming back in, elbows close to the body, and repeat. All right, really squeezing here. I know it looks like such a simple movement, but if you really move with intention and squeeze your entire arm, you're going to feel it, especially by round 3. Alrighty, little bend in the knees, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Last but not least, pressed lateral pulses. All right, lateral pulses look like this to make it pressed. All right, we're pressing our hands outwards, so fingers up, boom, pressed, and then pulse, 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 pulse. Very good, very quick, not too big. Keep it nice and tight. Very good. Breathing, fast, fast, fast. You got this. Starting to burn. Awesome job. Check that posture. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Set 1 done and dusted. Going right into set 2, starting with our alternating shoulder presses. Let's get it.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1, together, release. Very good. Arm rotations. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Very good. 45-degree press. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Very good. Pressed lateral pulses. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Woo. Release. Oh my goodness. Burn, baby, burn. We're not done yet. One more to go. Starting with our alternating shoulder press. And let's go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1. Together. Release. Very good. Arm rotations. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Very good. 45-degree press. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Very good. Pressed lateral pulses. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Woo. And there we have it. Day 5 in the books. We're halfway through this challenge. Let me know what you thought of this day, which day has been your favorite, and how excited are you for day 6 tomorrow with Coach Greg. I will see you there.